Hello viewers, I would like to give a quick introduction about this web app before starting with its demo. So this is a fast-paced legal assistant platform or rather a legal case management system which is designed to modernize legal workflows for both users and lawyers. It offers mind-blowing features like comprehensive case management system, role-based dashboards and access controls, lawyer search by specialization, AI legal assistant using Grok's Llama model, and the most effective feature according to me, which is the most effective one, is the smart case prioritization based on urgency, complexity and many other factors. And it also consists of many more features which we will see through in this demo video. So let's start with the demo without wasting any further time. So this is the home page of the JuriSync, which consists of a dashboard consisting of 3 columns, that is total cases, solved cases and pending cases, and these will be updated according to the database which contains the cases which will be added by the lawyers, and we will see again through the dashboard in this demo video. And this was the chatbot I was talking of. Here the user can ask any queries. For example, I will write a simple query: hi, give me the procedure for filing a case. A simple one, right? And here's a quick response from our jury Sati, right? So this is very helpful. Now moving further, here the lawyer can register, and we will register the dummy lawyer. There are many specializations such as criminal lawyer, labor lawyer, consumer court lawyer, divorce lawyer, banking lawyer, immigration lawyer, family lawyer, and many more in this drop down, which will be further utilized by the user in connecting with lawyer. So we will choose criminal lawyer and we will give a mobile number, your years of experience we will give, then email, then his location, and we will register. Now we will log in the lawyer with the user ID and password. And this is the dashboard of the lawyer, as we can see. And this is the profile of the lawyer consisting of his name, specialization, phone, email, and years of joining. And the lawyers also have the access to the AI chatbot, right, which is very helpful for them. We will add new cases here. We will give description very small, criminal, case type criminal, section we will choose 302, article 10, domain we will give local, among local, national and international. Then days until next hearing we will give 8, status pending, days since opening we will give it 12 days, people influenced, let's give it 5 people influenced, economic background, let's give it poor, connected to a larger matter, no, previous court decision, let's give it inconclusive, stage of case, let's give it appeal, is this a PIL, no, marginalized group, let's give it SC or ST or OBC, let's give it OBC, is this a repeated offense, no, risk to life, yes of course, minors involved, no, complexity level, let's keep it moderate, and we add a case. See, this is the case, and this is the urgency score given by our algorithm according to many input factors and many other factors. So in order to see the prioritization, smart case prioritization that I was talking about, let's add few more cases. Let's add a robbery case, case type civil, section let's give it 300, article 8, domain local, days until next hearing, let us give it 12 days, and status let's keep it pending, and days since opening let's give it 10, people influenced, let's give it 15 people in a bank or in a home, then let's give it middle class, connected to a larger matter, yes, previous court decision, imprisonment, drafting of stage of case, let's keep it appeal, is this a PIL, yes, marginalized group, none, repeated offense, yes, risk to life, no, minors involved, no, complexity level, let's keep it high and add a case. And see the robbery case is added below as its urgency score is lesser than this. Now let's add a severe case. We will give hijack. It is a human rights case, and section we will give 302, article 11, domain let's give it international, then days until next hearing let's give it 5 days, the status let's give it pending, days since opening 6 days, then people influenced let's give 200, economic background middle class, connected to a larger matter, yes, previous court decision, let's give it inconclusive, stage of case, let's give it trial, is this a PIL, yes, marginalized group, let's give it women, then repeated offense, yes, risk to life, yes, minors involved, yes, complexity level, let's keep it high and add a case. See, the case is added at the top as its urgency score is very high. Let's add one more case. Let's give it land dispute. It is a property case, section 200, article 5, domain local, and days until next hearing let's keep it 0, and let's keep the status as solved, Days since opening 100. People influenced, let's give it 5. Economic background, let's keep it poor, or let's keep it upper class. Then connected to a larger matter, no. Previous court decision, dispute solved. Stage of case, drafting, or let's keep it filing. Then is this a PIL? No. Marginalized group? None. Repeated offense? No. Is there a risk to life? No. Minors involved? No. And let's keep the complexity as low. And let's add a case. And see, this solved case is added at the end with urgency score of 2. Right. And here the lawyer can also backtrack the cases by searching. He can either search with the section, article, case type, or he can just write case type only. He'll write criminal, search, and see the criminal cases have came here. So we will go back, further, and we will log out the lawyer. Now we will see the dashboard is updated according to the database, right? Now we will register a few more lawyers, and we will then see into the users portal where the user will connect through the lawyers. So let's add one more lawyer. Let's keep its specialization as criminal only. Mobile number, let's give it a mobile number. Years of experience 1. Email, let's give it email. Then let's give him a city, and we will register. Now we will log in and the dashboard is same with the profile and the chatbot and all these features. We will add a simple case. We will write murder, criminal, section 302, article 8. Just dummy values. Days until next hearing 12. Status pending. Days since opening, we will give it 50 days. People influenced, let's give it 12. Economic background, let's give it middle class. Connected to a larger matter, yes. Previous court decision, imprisonment. Stage of case, let's give it pre-trial. Is this a PIL? No. Marginalized group, SC. Repeated offense, no. Risk to life, no. Minor risk to life, yes, as it is a murder case. Minors involved, no. And complexity level, let's keep it moderate. And we will add a case, and the case is added here. Now we will log out and we'll quickly register one more lawyer. And we will keep the specialization as a banking lawyer. Mobile number, years of experience. Email, we will give an email. City, and we will register. Now we will log in with the lawyer ID and password quickly, and the interface is same with the profile, chatbot, and all these features. We will quickly add a new case. We will write family loan dispute. We will write family, section 250, article 5. Domain local. Days until next hearing, let's give it 0 and keep the status as solved. Days since opening, let's give it 50 days. People influenced, let's give it 5 people. Economic background, middle class. Connected to a larger matter, no. Previous court decision, solved. Dispute. Stage of case, let's keep it pre-trial. Is this a PIL? No. Marginalized group, let's give it woman. Repeated offense, no. Risk, is there risk to life? No. Minors involved, no. And let's keep the complexity as low, and we add the case. See, the case is added, and we will log out. See, the dashboard is updated with 2 solved cases, 4 pending cases, and total 6 cases in the database. Right. Now we will move to the user section, that is the Jury Connect, and we will quickly register a user here. The user is registered. Now we will log in. And see, this is the user specific dashboard with the profile containing the user's name. And here the user can search among many lawyers in this web according to the specialization and need. For example, let's search for criminal lawyers, and here are criminal lawyers, and from here the user can select among anyone, and when we click on the contact lawyer, here the whole contact details come, right? So the user can choose according to its specifications. And let's search for a banking lawyer now, and here is the banking lawyer with all the contact details, and here also we have a chatbot. So this was about this web application, and we log out from this, and here are some additional designing items. So the system not only streamlines legal operations but also supports faster justice delivery through intelligence case prioritization. And this web application is made by me, my name is Kaushik Harsh, and by my teammate whose name is Nikunj Kumar Agarwal. So this was it about this web application. Hope you like it. Thank you.